The video uploaded just 9 days ago has close to 6.5 lakh views. The video uploaded 3 weeks ago already has 1.3 million views, and similarly the video uploaded a month ago has close to 1 million views. This is the story of this faceless horror channel, which you can see with your own eyes here. I am talking about this faceless channel, Mr. Nightmare. Less than 2,000 videos and subscribers, more than 6.5 million. Is in that mind-boggling? Many channels are not able to get 1 million subscribers even after uploading 2,000 videos, but this is not the only channel in this sense. You can see some other channels here whose videos are also getting a good number of views. And their subscribers are also growing very fast. I am showing you all this so that you can get an idea of the popularity of this niche. All these channels are a living proof of how much people like this niche in countries like US, UK, Canada. Now I know many people must be wondering, what about monetization? So baya, now I will show you this as well. I checked all the channels one by one and you can see the monetization status of all these channels yourself. All these channels are absolutely 100% monetized. Now after this you will have to know the earnings as well because it causes itching. So let me show that as well. Now look, in US, UK and rest of the premium countries, the worst to worst and lowest RPM cannot be less than $5. I am taking a very low number. Let us forget this also. If you take even $2 RPM, then which channel should you watch? It has gained total views in last 30 days. More than 10 million, as you can see here. Now if you take the round figure, only 10 million. Now RPM of $2 on 10 million views means, calculated. Take out this calculator. Let me tell you, this makes a total of $20,000 per month. Yes, and mind you, we have taken the lowest of the lowest numbers. You can convert them into Indian format and you will be blown away. This is the earnings of just 1 month. We are talking about it. Now listen to another amazing thing which will make you very excited. Right now the contact of all these channels is 100% made by AI. Yes, if you don't believe it, go and see for yourself. You will get AI images, AI voiceover, and nobody does scripting on their own these days. 100% AI will be there in that too, and basic editing is all there is, right? The dream is to create a channel of this finish. Keep your enthusiasm for just 10 more minutes. I am going to show you step by step how to make such a video. From idea to script to voiceover to final editing, you will get everything in a single video, so don't skip it. Any step, let's go then. Leads rolled. First of all, step number 1 idea. I am telling you 2 options to find such horror stories and mysteries. First of all, these are 2 sites whose link I will send you in the description below. Here you will find real horror stories, mysterious events. Will you find stories based on paranormal activities? Now these are real stories, they are not fantasy or fiction. All these events have happened in reality, so you can take ideas from here if you want. You will find many stories here. Apart from this, you also have the second option, which is ChatGPT. You can also come to ChatGPT and tell it real horror stories, or to give story ideas on mysteries, events that have happened recently, and ChatGPT will also give you such story ideas. So you can see, apart from this, you also have the option of books. You can also get suggestions of books from ChatGPT. If you read books and you need ideas through books, so I will give you a lot of book ideas for that too. Now you will get ideas in some way or the other from all these options. But what about the actual script for the video? So let's move to step between scripts. Now suppose you want an article story from any website. To create your script, for example, if you want this one only, we will take this article, we will copy it from here and now come back and insert this prompt, which I will also give you in the description below, and after this we will present the screenshot of our article here. And enter. Will just read this article and rewrite it and create the complete script for your video. Along with this, it will also give detailed image proofs for each sim, which will be useful for us in the next step. So you can see, and if you do not want the script of this article and want the script of the same idea, so here, whatever ideas it has given us, copy whichever idea you like and say it to give its detailed script with image prompts, and boom, you will get it from here as well. So, whichever of the 2 methods you like, you can get the script generated from it. And if you want to write the script yourself, well and good, go for it. What better opportunity is there than this? So now the script work is over. We will talk about step 3, which is voiceover. You see, this time I am using for voiceover Wondershare Verbo AI. Now you get many more amazing features in Verbo AI, like you can create talking photos in it, your own AI. You can create videos by making avatars, for any purpose, and the best part is that you can customize it as per your choice.